Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about today Leetcode daily challenge. So today question is binary tree level order traversal. In this question, they are given the root of the binary tree, return the level order traversal of its node values. Okay, we want to do level order traversal of the tree. So it is a basic type of question only. If you know about tree well, okay. So this is the tree. We want to do level order traversal. In first level, there is a element is 3, the second level is 9 and 20, and third level is 15 and 77. Okay, so let me discuss about how we can solve this problem. Okay, consider this is a tree, it is one of the binary tree. So in this example, we are going to do level order traversal. So there are various methods to do level order traversal. So I in this example, I'm going to do in using queue. Okay, you can also do this problem using recursion call also, but I'm going to solve this problem using recursion. Using iterative method. So to solve this problem, I need a queue. Okay, basic all level of traversal problems need a queue, so it is a better way to solve this problem. You can also use recursion to solve this problem, but my preference is use to queue method. Okay, okay, now I created queue. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to put this first element into my queue. Okay, this is the answer set. Okay, I'm going to put my first element into my queue. So the first element is 1. So this is my root of my tree. So after that, now this path is going to start. Okay, now I check my queue size. So my queue size is 1. Okay, so which tells that in first level the number of element is 1. Okay, so I'm going to visit all the elements present in my particular level. So I'm going to pop this element from the queue. Now I'm going to check its neighbors. Okay, the neighbors are two. It's children. The children are the left children is 2. So we want to put this from left to right fashion. So I first visit the left child. So for the left children is 2 and the right children is 3. Okay. Now you can see I visited my first current level element because my size is only 1. So I visit all the elements in my current level. So now I move on to next level. Before that, I also added this element to my answer. Okay, this is the first level. Next, I'm going to move to the next level. So now I'm going to check my queue size. My queue size is 2. So my second level size is 2. Okay, so I'm going to iterate 2 times into my queue. So I'm going to pull out first 2 elements from my queue. So my first element is 2. So its neighbors are 4. Okay, it has only left child. There is no right child. And after that, I'm going to add this into my answer. So next, I'm going to take the 3 from my queue. So 3 children are 5 and 6. So I'm going to add this 5 and 6 into my queue. Okay, I remove the 3 from my queue. So now I get last 2 elements present in my queue. Now now again going to check my size of my queue. So my size of my queue is 3. So this is the next level. So third level. In third level, there are 3 elements in my queue. 3 elements in the level. So I visited all these elements. Now again, now my first element is 4. So I'm going to visit his children. So children are 7. So I'm going to add 7 into my queue, and all children are visited. Now I move on to 5. So 5 left. There is no left children. The right children is 8. I'm going to put the 8 into my queue. After that, I'm going to remove the 6, which is the third element in the queue. So there is no children for the 6th element. So I did not do anything. Now I visited all 3 elements in my queue. So now this level is over. Okay, now I'm going to iterate for last. I also want to, while visiting this element, I also want to add this into my answer set. Okay. After that, I'm going to visit this next level element. So there is I want to find the size of the queue. So the size of the queue is 2. So in fourth level, there is 2 elements that are present. So which indicate this 2. So I'm going to retrieve last 2 elements present in my queue. So the first 2 elements are 7. So there is in 7 there is no children. So I did not do anything. I remove this 7 from my queue and add this 7 into my answer. and next 8. So for 8 there is no element in the queue, no children, so I'm going to remove. So I did not add anything into my queue, and add this 8 into my answer. Okay, so now I removed the first two elements from my queue. So now this queue become empty. So I'm going to stop my process. So this is the answer. So in first level the element is 1, and second level is 2 and 3. I did not add that, forget. And the third level is 4, 5, 6, and the fourth level is 7 and 8. So this is the process to do level traversal in tree. So now we look at the code. So in this code, it is a basic level traversal code only, so there is no difference. So I declare I check the base condition. If the root is empty, initially empty, I return empty array. So this is the base condition. I want to check that. After that, I declare the answer array, two-dimensional answer array, and then declare the queue. Then I push the root into my queue. Then this is the algorithm. This is the section. I explain in the algorithm part. So I iterate until the queue become empty, and then I find out the size of my queue. Okay, and declare another vector which is used to store the current level elements. Okay, I try to find all the elements which are present in the current level. After that, I will check this the children. If the children are any not null, I will push the element into my queue from left to right fashion. Then finally I will push the current level into my answer, and finally I will return the answer. Hope you all understand. So now we'll submit this solution. So it's accepted. So the time complexity is order of n only. We're visiting all elements only once, and the space complexity is depending upon the so space complexity is also order of n only, because we store the answer. But if we did not consider the answer, the space complexity would be the maximum breadth of the tree. So how the it's the maximum elements present in particular level. So is the space complexity for this question. Okay, hope you all understand. If you have any doubt, please kindly ask in comment section. We are meeting next Leetcode daily challenge. Bye.